Hey lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be doing a giveaway to celebrate my 1K subs. Thank you guys so much for this. So at the end of the video I will disclose the prize, and it's just three easy steps. Make sure that you are subscribed, you like this video, and you comment your location below, as well as your favorite video that I've posted so far. So your favorite video of me. Stay tuned. So we all need to get our summer bodies up. So for this video, I'm teaching you an alternative of the carbonated drinks and the sodas. Put them down and take up your blenders or your bullet. So I'm just showing you a quick way how to make pineapple and carrot juice. So stay tuned for that, and let's go to the video. So the ingredients will be pineapple, carrot, lemon, ginger. So now I'm just gonna clean my carrot. So now I am just peeling the garlic. Garlic. I'm just stripping the ginger. I don't know why I thought this was garlic in my hand. Oh my god.
She needs some help.
Oh my gosh. This greenie.
Oh my god.
So I'm using a NutriBullet, a Ninja, to do the blending. If you have a blender, you can always use the blender. No harm done there. But I'm using the NutriBullet today. And this is a problem with it sometimes, huh? Of course, I can always use pipe water.
Is her struggling to close it for me?
Leave me alone. I'm strong. And then people, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna put this in the video, but you see how the bullet wicked to us. So now this is a real life complication. So now what I'm gonna do is clean it off, tighten it better, and go again. So remember, ensure this is sealed tight, okay?
Because if it isn't,
Shut up.
it's gonna happen to you.
Alright, so if you have leftovers, oh, you're gonna tell me someone leave that right there, so if you have leftovers, when it is liquid, you can always add what's left if you want to, and just blend again until everything is smooth. So now that you have blended this, or we have blended this smoothly, I'm gonna throw it out into a container with a strainer and strain it. So we use a spoon and press it out. You want to ensure that you take out all the juice. Don't waste any. So you press and you press and you take all the juice out.
Open up, please.
And the last thing we add after everything is our lemon. It depends on how tangy you like your juice. You can use half of a lemon or you can use it full. And now you just stir everything together and ready to drink. So this is the end product. You can either serve it chilled on ice, or if you just want to be fancy and drink it out of a fancy cup, that's fine too. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So time for the exciting part, the giveaway. So I'll be choosing 2 lucky random winners from the comment section. The first prize will be $2,000 credit. The second will be $1,000 credit. And this is for my Jamaican subscribers. All you have to do is ensure that you're subscribed, you like the video, and you comment below your location and the title of your favorite video of me that I've posted so far. That's it. So I'll be choosing the lucky winners on July 18 on Sunday. So stay tuned for that.